Hi everybody, it's Alyssa with Modern Day Tech, and today I am reviewing these Gravity food and water pet feeders. So I recently adopted a cat, and I was trying to think of a way that I could make sure he always had food and water, but that was less of a hassle than those little food bowls that you normally get that you have to refill every single day, or the water bowls you have to clean every single day. And I came across these. They are super convenient. They're super easy to use. I only have to refill and clean his water bowl about once a week, and his food bowl, I just clean it out when he runs out and I refill it, and that's usually once every 2 weeks or once every 3 weeks. The food bowl is super easy. You just lift this top up and you put it in there and then stick it right back on there. The water bowl, this top is just for decoration, and this whole thing actually lifts up and you fill it up from a screw at the bottom. So super easy. You just lift this up, and then right here, as you can see, this screw-on lid, you can fill it up right in here. I usually fill it up in the bathtub because my sink isn't quite big enough. And then there's a spring-loaded thing, so when you put it back down, the water doesn't come out until you put it down in there, and then it is gonna just spurt right back out. So it's totally mess free. The bowls are deep enough that he doesn't spill it, and they're super convenient. It never fills up more than it can, so it's never gonna overflow. He always has food and always has water, so I can never forget to give him food or water because it does it automatically for me. So I definitely highly recommend these for any dog or cat parents that are as busy as I am. As you can tell, he loves them. He is always fed, he's always watered. So I'm happy, he's happy. They are super convenient, and I definitely recommend them for any pet parents.